Hello, grade 11 students. So this is part 2 of our term 4 video for VAT. So in this video, guys, we are going to do the different question paper that we didn't do on part 1. So if you didn't watch part 1, go to our YouTube channel and watch part 1 for VAT. It also contains some basic that you need to understand about VAT. Okay, remember guys, VAT is paper 2 of your final examination that you're going to write now in term 4. Okay, so you have to watch because this is one of the chapter that you must get a total. It's not difficult at all. All right. It was 4.2 and it contained only 10 marks. Ne? Okay, they say that King Traders is registered for VAT and the standard rate VAT is 15%. Guys, in South Africa, at the current moment, the VAT is 15% and nothing else. Okay, so you must know that even if it's not given. Okay, required 4.2.1. Calculate the amount indicated by Roman figure A to C in the table below. Okay, and the internal auditor found that Tom King had underpaid the amount due to SARS in respect of the VAT with each filing date. Upon investigation, Tom said that he used the money to pay business expense and then adjust the payment later. Let's start with this one, guys, of a theory. Here, guys, the owner used money that he was supposed to pay SARS because he collected VAT and he have to bring that amount to SARS. So now, because there were some expenses that need to be paid of a business, he used that money to pay the expense of the business. Now, comment on this practice and give advice to Tom. Guys, it's very dangerous to use money that you have to pay SARS for your own expense or for business expense. Whatever that you collect for SARS, that you need to pay SARS, you must pay it. Otherwise, you're going to be in trouble. It's either they charge you fine, you can be deregistered as a VAT vendor, and once you are deregistered as a VAT vendor, guys, most of the things you're not going to qualify. For example, you're not going to qualify to get a tender in a government service. They will never give you a tender if you're not registered for VAT. So it's very dangerous. So we have to advise Tom that he must pay SARS. He must pay SARS first, then the rest of the money he can use it for business expense. All right, then it was 3 marks. Then let's go back to 4.2.1. We are going to create the other question which is not here because I want you guys to learn something that is going to be part of your exam. 4.2.1. We have to calculate number A, B, and C. Okay. Now, number A, they want us to calculate VAT amount. And the amount that was given, it was a VAT exclusive of 12,400. What do we do to calculate VAT if we are given VAT exclusive? It's very simple. 12,400 multiplied by, because we are looking for VAT which is 15%, we're going to put 15 on top, and on the bottom we're going to put 100 because we have exclusive. Okay, which is going to give us a amount of 1,860. All right, so I was telling my other students who are part of my extra classes that, guys, VAT, once you have a knowledge from grade 11, you're already done with this chapter for grade 12 because it's the same question. VAT does not change much when you go to grade 12, which means that already, if you are doing this for knowledge, not to cram, guys, you already have knowledge for grade 12. Okay, then they also give us VAT amount, and number B, they are looking for VAT inclusive. Because we have a VAT amount, guys, which means that on the bottom we must have 15 because VAT is 15%. And what we are looking for is inclusive. Inclusive is 15%. It's 115%. Okay, we are looking for 115, which is inclusive, and this will give us 1610. The next question is number C. However, number C, we have to read the transaction. This includes the sales of 9,200, which has been sold at a zero rated, and the bookkeeper mistakenly include VAT of 1,200. Okay, which means that we must first remove this amount, guys, when we calculate this one. It's either you work out on this way, 158,700. You first remove 9,200, then you multiply by 15 over 115. Okay, which is going to give you 19,200, 19,500. Or this is the other method that you can use. You must first get 15% of 158,700. Is 158,700 multiplied by 15 over 115. This will give you 20,700, guys. Or you say 20,700 minus VAT amount of 1,200 that was incorrectly included. It will give you 19,500. That's how you can calculate this. You got two options that you can use. All right. Now, before we go to the next one, the next part I want us to do this, guys. VAT input, which is benefit, and VAT output, which is I did versa versa here. Here is no benefit. Here is benefit. Okay. So I want us to do this question using the same information. Before we proceed, guys, here, thank you so much if you have been watching until up to so far, guys. Guys, we are almost at 100,000 subscribers. Please, let's push it. If you want me to release a full video in time for paper 1 and paper 2, please, let's subscribe. Let's show some huge movement of subscribers. I will release it early. Okay, but if subscribers are not moving, guys, I will remove it during November. All right, but apart from that, guys, our extra class are still continuing. Come and join and learn with others. Ne? Come and join and learn with others. It's only 100 Rand per month. And a good news for grade 11 is that during December, guys, we are starting with grade 12 work. So if you want to start in time with no hurry, come and join us during December. Okay, we're gonna be doing accounting during December for grade 12 to prepare you for next year. Okay, now let's do this. When we said VAT input, we check the transaction that business has spent or business has lost to something. Output, business has benefited or business has received money. We call it we have benefited. It's output. We collect, we give it to SARS. If we collect and give it to SARS, this means that to us is liability because this money we are collecting it for SARS. Here, because we spend, it's an asset. Why? Because we must claim some amount to SARS that here we didn't benefit, we have lost money, which means that they give us some refund. Okay, so and we only use VAT amount here, guys. We only use VAT amount. So let's take on our table. Discount received from supplier. We receive discount, guys, from supplier. If we receive discount from supplier, This simply means that uh, we benefited because we received discount. We benefited. Okay, and the VAT amount under number A, it was 1,860. Okay, number 2, a credit note issued to customer, guys. Our customer return, which means that we have to refund them money. We didn't benefit. 210, no benefit. Okay, and the last one, which is number C, 19,500. We sell goods to customer. We benefited because we received money. 19,500. Whether it's cash or credit, sales is a benefit because even if it's a credit, you are still going to be paid by that customer. Okay, so these obvious, guys, because we only have one amount of input, this will bring us to liability because this is the higher side. The balance here is going to be liability, or it's going to be payable. You can just simply say 19,500 plus 1,860 minus 210, which is going to give you how much? 19,500 plus 1,860 minus 210. It's going to give you 21,150. Very simple. This is payable. That's how simple it is, guys, to do VAT. So go to playlist. Remember, guys, now in December, whether the video is written term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, you must watch all of them because all of them are going to prepare you to write your final examination. Don't choose a term now. Do all of them, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, because now you're going to write paper 1 and paper 2. So I will see you on the next release.